Hello my dear positive vibers. Sometimes beauty comes from the most unexpected places, just like this butterfly cake which started as a plain round cake. There was once a girl whose life started plain but her dreams made her extraordinary. Today as I bake and decorate this cake, let me tell you her story. A story of a little girl who loved butterflies so much that they became the symbol of her life, her hope and her transformation. As I make this cake, just imagine this journey with me. A journey that begins not in a big city, not in a famous school, but in a tiny little village that the world had almost forgotten. Her name was Amara. She grew up in the village where people didn't dream beyond the farmland. The morning rooster's crow was the alarm clock, and the dusty red roads were the only playground. While other children chased goats and played with makeshift toys, Amara chased butterflies. She believed they carried secrets. She believed that when a butterfly landed on her hand, it was whispering hope. Her friends thought she was strange. They laughed, saying, "Amara, what is it with these butterflies? They can't feed you, they can't clothe you." But Amara would smile and reply, "One day, I will fly away like them." Those words were her secret anthem. Though nobody believed her, not even her family. I think of her small hands flipping through old torn books borrowed from a kind neighbor. Those books were her wings. Every story she read, every word she learned gave her a little bit of flight, even though her feet were still stuck in the dust of her village. Dreams are beautiful, but reality can be heavy. Amara's father would look at her sometimes and sigh. He would say, "My daughter, books don't put food on the table. We need you in the farm, not lost in stories." Her mother would press her gently. "Amara, be realistic. Girls from this village marry early. Who will pay for your school? Who will carry you to the city? You are chasing the wind." But Amara couldn't stop. Every butterfly she saw gave her strength. She whispered to herself, "I am not chasing the wind. I am chasing wings." And so she studied whenever she could. At night, by the flickering lantern with mosquito buzzing around her ears. By day, under the mango tree with little children teasing her. This part of the story feels like this plain cake on my table. Round, ordinary, unshaped, but inside, it has the potential to be something wonderful, just like Amara, who the world thought was ordinary, but who carried extraordinary dreams inside her. One day, something happened that changed her life. A stranger visited the village, a man with a gentle smile and a bag full of books. He was a volunteer teacher. One hot afternoon, he found Amara sitting under the tree, her nose buried in the tattered books. Curious, he asked, "Why do you love books so much?" And with eyes that sparkled, she replied, "Because books give me wings, and one day I want to fly." The man was moved. He saw something rare, a hunger for knowledge. He decided to sponsor her education. For the first time, someone believed in her. That was her cocoon. The cocoon is a hidden stage, quiet, lonely, but powerful. Amara studied harder than ever. She faced rejection, insult, and whispers of jealousy from neighbors, but she stayed inside her cocoon of discipline and sacrifice. As I cover this cake with frosting, I think of her cocoon. From the outside, it doesn't look like much, but inside, transformation is happening. Silent, steady, beautiful. Years passed, and just like a butterfly breaking free, Amara emerged. She became the first girl from the village to attend university, the first to step into a world beyond the dusty road. On her graduation day, she wore a dress butterfly print. She walked across the stage, smiling through tears. In that moment, she wasn't just Amara, the girl who loved butterflies. She was Amara, the butterfly herself, strong, free, and beautiful. Her story spread back to the village. Same friends who once laughed at her now told their children, "Dream big like Amara. She had given wings to others too." As I decorate these butterfly wings on the cake with sprinkles, I see her story alive in this design. What started plain and round has now become a masterpiece, just like her life. And so this butterfly cake is more than sugar and flour. It is a reminder of Amara's journey, a journey from dust to wings, from laughter to respect, from dreaming alone to inspiring many. So whenever you bake, remember, every cake has a story, every person has a cocoon, and every dream, no matter how small, has the power to fly. This butterfly cake is for the dreamers, for those who feel stuck, for those who are laughed at. Your wings are forming. Do not give up. Just like Amara, one day you too will fly. And there you have it, my positive vibers. Beautiful butterfly cake, complete and ready to spread its wings. From a plain round cake to this beautiful design, it shows that with a little creativity, you can turn something simple into something unforgettable. I hope Amaka's story touched your heart as much as this cake touched mine. Remember, just like she found her wings, you too have yours waiting for you. Now, my dear positive vibers, if you love this recipe and story, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me know that you enjoy this kind of videos. Also, hit the subscribe button and turn on notification bell, because I share many more recipes and sweet stories you don't want to miss. Trust me, you will want to be the first to see what I create next. I'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, if you could be a butterfly, What color will your wings be? I cannot wait to read your answers because your comments always inspire me. Thank you so much, my wonderful people, for watching this video to this point. God bless you. I love you. See you in my next video. Bye.